Hi, I am Bori. I am from Romania, Târgu Mureș, and I am a young ambassador of Milbus Group. 1 year ago, with some of my friends, we decided to start permaculture in Cluj-Napoca, where I study. Because of the industrialization of agriculture, we are facing a lot of damages in nature, and also methane emissions and different kind of pesticides in nature. The main goal of our project is to experience food growing, food producing in a sustainable way, and to teach others, like also children and whoever who is interested in gardening, and to experience really the feeling of soil, because it's really a beneficial thing, and also for the elderly people for them to have a chance to come out. The fact is that there are a lot of abandoned areas in the cities, and people are not using them. But if you can talk to your local municipalities, maybe you can find some areas where you can grow your own food, and to experience this wonderful feeling that you can really make your own, and digging the soil and feeling the fresh air and observing the little bugs and being part of nature.